Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max stuck on request update when we try to update on iOS 18 update. So if you're also facing this kind of issue that your iPhone stuck on request update, in this video, I will show you how to fix. First of all, you need to check your iPhone internet connection. Make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data when you try to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 update. Okay. If you're already connected with strong Wi-Fi and cellular data, you can't update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 update, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check iPhone storage. Okay. Make sure you have enough space in your iPhone when you try to install iOS 18 update. Okay. To check that, open iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on iPhone storage. Okay, make sure you have enough space in your iPhone when you try to install that update. Okay, if you don't have any enough space in your iPhone, just make some space and then try to install it. It will 100% fix. Okay, if that method is also not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button. Press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is a reset network setting. To do that, open iPhone settings. Okay. Tap on General. After tapping the General, you need to scroll down below. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Okay. Tap on Reset and reset network setting and apply it on your iPhone. It will fix your issue. If that method is also not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the last one. The last one is make sure you are not connected with any VPN. If you're connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and then try to install iOS 18 update. It will 100% fix. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone stuck on request update when try to update on iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.